are here for the review of the year. और ये एक momentous मेरे लिए तो occasion होता है जब मैं इस सोफे पे बैठी होती हूँ with my favorite Khadija, and today we also have Ela with us and we're going to be reviewing Ilan Okay Khadija, we have seen so many beautiful images come out of Turkey. I mean, क्या सबसे पहले हम ये बात करेंगे क्या concept था behind doing this beautiful shoot?
Achha, so basically, you know me. Now you've been doing this with me for the last year. Ever since I started in Ilan, you've been sitting with me and we've been discussing the law. And you know that I have this little kira, you can call it, that I want to do things a bit differently every year.
Kafi different.
So the whole concept behind this year's lawn was also, trying to think out of the box. Trying to bring something new to the table.
Okay.
And Ilan is always very extravagant. You see a lot of extravagance in Ilan shoots. We go to like the most bustling capitals of the world, the most beautiful countries. And we have these models who are like very, very, gorgeous and high end and just like literally they walked off the catwalk. And this year, with last year, Corona set in, the mood changed, the feeling changed. We've been living different lives. हम लोग नहीं उस तरह से ना हम लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं, ना उस तरह से ट्रैवल हो रहा है, ना हमारी वो कमिटमेंट्स हैं जो पहले होती थी. And I think सारे लोगों ने बहुत अपने the time has been spent with people closer to you and smaller group settings. And so I wanted the lawn and the campaign to reflect that. So we chose to do a shoot in this beautiful village of Urmana.
And that's also the name of the
That's also the
collection.
collection. It is a village in Turkey, and that's where we set the collection and the campaign.
Gorgeous. अच्छा मुझे बताएं, you have been very closely obviously associated with Ilan and आपके पास बहुत लोग आते हैं जो say कि ये जैसा कैटलॉग में लग रहा है हमें वैसा ही बना दें because you do this beautiful stitching and everything for them. What was your first feeling when you saw this collection?
This time around, it was just the colors, the combinations, the embroidery, everything was so perfectly done.
Almost poetic.
Almost poetic. Like I couldn't wait to see the actual clothes.
And you're actually looking forward to the whole of Lahore coming to you with
the ones who really wanted that exactly like the shoot.
Right. So let's start talking about the designs because I know you guys are waiting for it. Let's tell them why did you like what you wear?
My thing is basically I love whites and I love white and black, the combination. But with this, the intricate embroidery, I was just totally blown away. And then the dupatta and
such a gorgeous
and the finish of the dupatta. I mean, like it's just absolutely.
I love the whole way it's coming
the
together.
thought of how it's the tassels. One has seen tassels of all sorts,
but this
is gorgeous the way it's.
So it's like an add-on, right?
Yes.
So basically, when we shoot the collection, like I said, you kind of finish it and style it and stitch it the way which is also जो आपकी स्टोरी के साथ जाए.
बिल्कुल ऐसे.
अब अगर स्टोरी हम शो कर रहे हैं एक विलेज लड़की की और उसके ऊपर हमने ये न्यू एज किस्म की फिनिशिंग्स की हुई है जो बेसिकली जो ऐलान करता रहा है इतने सालों से और वो अब और भी ब्रांड्स वैसे करते हैं तो वो हम नहीं कर सकते थे. हमने एक ऐसी फिनिशिंग्स करनी थी जो हमारी उस विलेज लाइफ के साथ जाती
और जो आगे दूसरे ब्रांड्स कर सकते.
So exactly. And the good thing about that was it made the clothes a lot simpler than the previous year. So if you see these things tied on Ela's dupatta, हमने ये पूरा रिप करके दुपट्टे के अंदर होल्स करके वो बांधे हैं. So these are not stitched on, they're not sewn on, they're like rips and we've tied them on. And when you see your own dupatta, ये तुम देख रही हो जो छोटी छोटी पोतलियां सी बनाई हैं with these फटे फटे कपड़े. So this is again very much so it's very much reflective of that rural lifestyle that these women have. They make their own clothes. वो इधर से कुछ उतार के लगाती हैं अपने कपड़ों पे इधर से. So that was the whole styling. Behind the styling, that was the ethos. The clothes themselves, as far as what Ida is wearing, her design is called Firoza, and it's 10,450
You're
for
kidding.
everyone's. Yeah,
No.
yeah, and it's a
Wow. Look at this. All this for 10,000.
And what intricate embroidery! I mean,
Amazing.
So I mean that's the thing. You see, I think Elan Lawn, what happens year after year is, and I think the distinguishing feature is that the embroidery has become sort of our hallmark, right?
Okay. मैंने क्या पहना? I just know that it's gorgeous.
So this is called Fusan.
Okay.
And this is one of my favorite designs, one of my entire team's favorite designs. It comes in magenta and it's hanging in green behind us. So this is all Dori embroidery, and the most beautiful thing about this design is the sleeves.
The sleeves, yeah.
So for the shirt, I wanted to keep a very, and again the embroidery is very tribal.
हाँ,
So you
very,
notice
very tribal.
हमारी इस पूरी collection में you will see that tribal, rural, गांव की, indigenous, feel. So we have 5 different borders for the 1, 2, 3, and there's one for the ghera. So you put 4 on the sleeves, and then you can add the 1 on the ghera, and they're all different colors, and they all have a different embroidery.
And they're all going to come in borders, pattis.
So there is no the good thing. Another good thing about it is that सीधी पड़ी है.
So there's no
सीधी सिलाई से सब कुछ जुड़ेगा. कोई यूं करके चीज को पैच नहीं करना पड़ेगा. If somebody does not want to wear it so dressy, that's the only portion which has the gold and the silver like that.
So you have that variation जिसमें वो
You stitch it simply like that, and you don't put this border, and you're good to go for a very casual look.
And use the border on something else. Khadija, what do you wear?
So I'm wearing, this is one of my favorites. It's called Ilahi, and it's a Kashmiri design. We have taken basically a very, very classic Kashmiri motif and made a beautiful Kashmiri firan layout. And it's a very striking design in the collection, in the sense that this doesn't come with too much color. इसके ना कोई पट्टीज एक्स्ट्रा ज्यादा है, ना कोई बॉर्डर्स एक्स्ट्रा है, बट इसका एक खूबसूरत तरीन रंग बिरंगा कलरफुल कश्मीरी जैसे शॉल्स होती है उनके कलर्स के अंदर एक दुपट्टा है, एंड साथ वेरी मोनोटोन आउटफिट. एंड दिस इज नो tilla in it. This is all embroidery. This is all embroidery, and I find this to be very, very elegant. Like for me, wearing this to a dinner, Eid dinner, is just perfect. Just exactly the level of dressed up I would want to be.
So here comes our favorite part. We're going to show you some of my favorite designs. Khadija has been kind enough to agree कि वो मेरे पसंद के designs दिखाएंगे आज. And overall in the catalog there are 15 designs, right?
Yes.
And 2 colors with each. So बहुत choice है, मुश्किल होने वाली जिंदगी, but I'm here to make it easier for you. So let's go. First up we have here Khadija.
So this is called Eason, and this is for 9,950. This is again a very Kashmiri embroidery inspired outfit. I wanted to keep it, so I was doing more sort of, like I said, I wanted to do more tribal, rural designs, but I wanted to add a punch to them, make them a bit more elan. So basically we did the center and the sleeves in a light coral watermelon, and the side panels come in white. And we have basically inversed the colors. So जो center है उसके ऊपर white embroidery है, और जो side panels है उनके ऊपर सारे watermelons और corals के shapes हैं.
Beautiful.
और फिर इसकी जो सबसे खूबसूरत बात है वो इसकी दुपट्टा और इसके borders हैं. So basically the border comes in a seafoam, and you can see in the front कि उसके ऊपर वो सारी coral embroidery हुई है, और जो दुपट्टा है वो एक light seafoam है, और फिर उसके आपको 3 different borders मिलेंगे. So you will get a white border जिसमें ये छोटी छोटी डब्बियाँ हैं coral color में, फिर आपके पास एक बीच वाला border है which is on coral itself, and then you have a deeper seafoam border which is the final and the biggest border. For my customer base, I felt the organza and the net duvattas weren't really working out. They were not really, they wanted to go festive collections में दें, but lawn के साथ to keep more silks and keep more sort of
It's so hot now. Thank you so much.
lovely, really nice.
Okay, my second pick. It's called Irmak, right?
Yes.
Can we have you here, please? Irmak is the name of this print.
Yes.
Beautiful names also.
They're all Turkish.
All Turkish.
You like to align everything.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Look at the back.
That is just beautiful.
Ji,
The bags. So okay, so This is for 9,950, and this is a very classic, again a very classic because it's cream based with pinks and aquas and mints on it, and the embroidery is all Persian inspired. It's like Persian painting, and if you see, it's got no print in the shirt. The dupatta is a printed medium silk dupatta, and the shirt is just an embroidered Persian tapestry. And if you look closely, again a lot of nafis, jalis, flowers, patiyan, kaliyan. But overall, the feel is very, very airy and light. It's not overdone. The color palette is also very soft.
Up next, ये color मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Can we please show everyone what I'm talking about? Such a beautiful color.
Thank you.
Lovely.
So this is a color that we all call tutu pink. Tutu pink. So this color has a name and it's called tutu pink. It's a very, very unique shade of pink. It's a cross between pink and lavender. So it's neither lavender nor totally pink. It's just in the middle. It's tutu pink. Yes. And the embroidery, as you guys can see, is these chrysanthemums and botanicals, which we've done in other shades of pinks and corals, and obviously we have these very yummy greens on it also. Can you show the pallu of your dupatta at the bottom? So you have these. Show them also, please. So you have these, and on the back of it, you have a beautiful seamore.
You have to.
Can you turn around? Turn around, Petra. Yes.
Wow.
So you have this beautiful seamore, and you have these two pallus and this jari in the center.
So can we have the next pick? Amna's next. Oh wow! Look at that. How gorgeous.
This is called Malik.
Malik. Wow. I love the leaves. It's just so beautiful. What's happening with Malik? This is the first time I've seen print in all of
So
the ones that I've
this
picked up.
outfit we have a printed bag, which is this is one of the very few outfits in which we have a printed bag. But I think what we wanted to do was to not let go of everything that we
Exactly.
do. So in some outfits we wanted to keep some elements. We do beautiful prints. So we gave this a beautiful Persian printed bag. This is again a very tribal inspired outfit. The front comes in two different. It's monotone. So you have a cream front center. इसके बाजू भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. You have this embroidery coming down from the top, and the neckline patch comes separately. So we again wanted to give the color blocking.
चलें, आपके पास
So-
नाम आ गया patch.
So, but again, it's a very simple patch because it's not curvy.
So you won't have to like.
It's a straight line. But the thing is that whoever does not want to wear the patch, the niche embroidery is running. So you can make it any
But I
kind
do
of
know a lot of
neckline.
people who like patches
of course they
also.
do.
You know.
You
So,
are
this
right.
is
There are some people who actually feel कि जितने patches होते हैं उतनी ही
Value ज़्यादा हो जाती है, हाँ.
Even though I mean I personally think simple is better.
Definitely.
But इसमें patch है वो, लेकिन you can wear it either way.
Either way,
So you
yes.
can use the patch or not.
Or
Can
not.
you show some of the embroidery?
जरा से
इसको दिखाओ.
हाँ.
दुपट्टा हटा के please.
थोड़ा सा टर्न अराउंड करके दिखा दो.
And the embroidery is very nifis. It's like literally अगर इसको आप देखें ना तो वही लगता है कि हाथ से जो
हाथ से
औरतें करती हैं. So you have these beautiful tribal.
feels like किसी ने cross stitch जैसे
Yeah.
हाथ
हाँ,
से
वो
रोल नहीं
नहीं.
लगा के करते हैं.
And the other thing is, Khadija, any particular in this collection so far, we are noticing you've done. The focus has also been with sleeves. And
Yeah.
different sort of sleeves. Jैसे Amna is wearing these sleeves.
Yeah.
This sleeve is also very noticeable.
Now this is another beautiful summery color.
Wow.
What's happening here, Khadija?
Okay, so this is a very special design because this is the only design in our collection, and I think the only time that we've ever done this in lawn that we've given 3 separate panels. It's a kalidar.
Okay.
So you get the center panel as it is, and then instead of getting 2 side panels, you get 4 side panels. So you can make a proper kalidar. So these are all different kalis, and the other special thing about it is that all the kalis are a different color.
अच्छा.
Yes. So the center is the softest shade of peach. Then you have a middle shade of peach, and the last kali is the darkest shade of peach. Again, very tribal feel. अगर एम्ब्रॉयडरी आप देखें तो वही लगता है कि ये हाथ से जो औरतें बनाती हैं ना, शैडो वर्क मुल्तान का, अप नॉच जो कांथा वगैरह होता है, एग्जैक्टली वैसा है. And the dupatta also comes in 3 different shades of peach. So the mid tone is like a soft, like this slightly more vibrant peach. Then you have a deeper coral for the edges.
Yeah.
And in the
Love
middle
the
you have
edges.
the
Look at the border. Up next, mera favorite color. I mean, oh my god, I just love this, and it's called ML, right? Yes. देखिए हम ML. Oh my god, come please. Oh my god, look at that. It's like poetry in motion. Seriously, this is gorgeous.
So this is again, if you look at it, again the tribal design. The stitches are all like the chicken curry that we all love.
Yeah.
Chicken curry wale stitches mein pura embroidered. There's no print. Even though I think some people, when they see the front and they see that it's so full, they think that it's a print. Most of our lawn, we have structured it in a way because I hated it when I used to see women who were not a small size or a medium size wear the lawn and उनकी abruptly embroidery center में बस खत्म हो जाती थी. अभी भी बहुत से लॉन, अभी भी बाकी लॉनों को जब मैं लोगों को पहने हुए देखती हूँ, यही होता है कि वो सेंटर में एम्ब्रॉयडरी चल रही होती है और साइडों में खाली जगह होती है. And I used to, because I got this OCD and perfectionist, it used to bug me. ये क्यों ऐसे खत्म हो रही है? So now what we started doing with our lawn is we give 3 panels.
Okay.
So we give a complete center panel and then we give 2 side panels.
Yeah.
Which are basically you can go up to like a large, extra large to complete your outfit without the embroidery ending.
Being compromised.
And if it's a small, you just use this.
You even then you use this. No, but you even then use the side panels because they drop from the shoulder, but from the sides, जिधर भी आपने इसको end करना है, you can end it. Like the shirt is red and the dupatta is like a cherry pink. And these borders are all around the dupatta, again embroidered. Amna, if you can maybe describe them to people you're sitting the closest to the dupatta.
I love this embroidery. I mean, if you can just show it to the camera. यहाँ से नजर नहीं आएगा. But yeah, I mean, just look at that. Look at the detailing. Like इसके अंदर there's pool, there's a बड़ा pool, there's a सितारा,
there's a horse.
There's a horse. There's this little silver detail,
absolutely.
छोटी सी within the छोटे flowers. Like what?
मुकेश का दाना है.
मुकेश का दाना right in the middle of the smallest flower that you see here. और जैसा कि अभी हमने कहा, you cannot have enough whites. The next one that I've picked is called Aya, and it is white. No surprise there. How beautiful! And I love this trend of an all white and this colorful dupatta.
Yes. So this is, even though it's all white, it's all fully embroidered. If you see, the center panel is embroidered. The side panels are completely composed and embroidered. And the special thing is that both side panels have a completely different embroidery on them. And this whole design is an Egyptian themed design. So the dupatta, if you just stand here, I'll show you guys. So the dupatta is all in Egyptian frescoes.
That's
ये ऊपर वापस कर लो. और ये इसका जो borders है, ये भी.
you see the boats and the
Boats, the boats floating in the Nile and the palm trees and the birds and the
Love it.
Egyptian imagery and ये जाली and ये जो फिर आपके जो side panels हैं, उस side पे काम है, you see,
Look at
the
this.
whole,
I love it.
they complete the deer, they're all embroidered white on white. And the center's got all these booties in it, and the other side of the panel has again got the trees and the deers. And
It's like a whole story here.
Yes.
No?
And then the
She's wearing that
dupatta
also.
is something again that is timeless. It's so vibrant and beautiful. Iska dupatta, you can wear it as anything, and you can even attach it to a plain silk and make a pallu out of it for sari.
Bilkul. The next year maybe make it like a tunic or
Yeah,
something.
tunic. It's just really pretty. So this is also actually very elegant. It's one of those designs which is very hard to see in the catalog.
And you
Because it's all
really have
white.
to see it to
You
believe.
can't show white on white in a catalog.
Exactly.
But when you see it up close, the beauty is in it.
And it's for 10,450. So much embroidery. This is a steal. और बेशक मेरा दिल था कि मैं आपको सब कुछ दिखाऊं. This has to be the last one. So we have Ashk here, and please, आइए. Look at that. When I saw Myra wearing this,
Yes.
I was like, I stopped. And I was like, wow.
This is turning out to be a very, very popular design, both this version and the blue version. And it's a Suzani because
Yeah.
it's a classic Suzani pattern. It's beautiful. We've grown up, seeing Suzanis all our lives, but we don't have it. Nobody's literally interpreted it as an outfit of clothes.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah, so we and the colors are typical Suzani colors. We've got the burnt orange, the deep magenta, mints, pinks, and a very soft pink base. Again, one which suits all Pakistani skin complexions. Pakistani women love pinks and peaches. Again, this comes in 3 different panels, and each panel has a different Suzani pattern on it.
Nice.
So the center you have the neckline, and on the side panel you have one pattern, and on the last panel you have another pattern. So all different patterns, and the back is also embroidered.
Can we see the back? Can you show the back to the camera? Okay.
And you have these two. इसके ऊपर हमने इसके एक और भी border है जो थोड़ा ज़्यादा चौड़ा है जो इसमें हमने नहीं लगाया.
Okay, so it's
the
the other.
So you have we put the smaller borders on this one. In the blue you can see the wider border.
Gorgeous.
So you can play with the borders. The colors are fun, colorful interplay, color blocking.
Even the panels, if somebody wants a slightly narrower shirt.
And this is also for 10,450 for all of that beauty, embroidery work and finesse.
Yes,
Lovely. Thank you so much.
what a visual.
Usually clothes, they're supposed to make you feel something, and I feel that with this entire collection, you see every one of them, but aapka dil smile.
And there's also a story with each one of them. There's an ethos.
Yeah.
It's not just kadhai. We thought of something. It's Suzani hai, kisi mein Persian hai, kisi mein Turkic hai. So they're all different sort of things we picked up on in each of the outfits.
Well done. Once again, ये 2-3 दफा मुझे साल में आके well done कहना पड़ता है. And the price points are lovely. Please, you can book pre-book your lawn starting
On the 17th
On the 17th
midnight.
midnight.
And yes, you can come to the stores and book it to the store shops and
do it online.
Or do it online. We say do it online.
And yeah, फिर बाद में नहीं कहना कि बिक गए थे सारे, तो मैं तो अभी तक ठीक है ना. Thank you so much.
Oh, it was
And I hope you have a very busy season.
We will.
And we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.